dare you hurt my grandma? How dare you?
Not just your grandma. I will kill you too.
What is going on in this house? It's as if there is no end to our problems.
Mom, we will find a way to solve these problems. I don't know about the police, but I won't spare him. How dare he touch Gungun and my Radha?
Mohan is boiling with so much anger.
If he gets caught, then so will we. Mohan, what are you doing?
Mom, Radha has left a clue for me. When she jumped in the borewell, she gave me a sign.
You are totally dumb, Radha.
But she is perfect otherwise.
Rida's packages are always top quality. Now give me money and take her along.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
No.
Come on.
No.
Radha, you promised that. You sure on Mohan that you would follow my orders. Now go.
No.
Go.
Please don't do this. Leave me. Hriday!
You have caused me a lot of trouble. Let her stay here with me. It's fine if you don't want to go like this. It's time to finish the job which you left incomplete because of Mohan. I'm thinking of returning half the amount. Leave her alone for some time here. With me.
No.
We didn't get married, but we can consume it anyway.
How dare you touch my Radha, Hriday? Your game is over now. Are you all right?
I knew you would come. I knew you would save me. Has it ever happened that I tried to tell you something and you did not understand it?
And what about my question?
I am fine, Mohan.
That's it.
Mohan, hit him hard. Hit him for breaking my grandma's trust. Mohan, hit him for hurting my Gungun. Hit him for toying with my feelings. Hit him, Mohan, don't spare him.
Are you new to Vrindavan? Don't you know me? How dare you touch my daughter Gungun?
Oh no, If Hriday says my name, then everything will be ruined.
You dared to kill my daughter, didn't you? My daughter. I won't let you leave now. You hit Radha, didn't you? The girl who trusted you the most and wanted to spend her life with you, and you tried to sell her off. My Radha. You were off to sell my Radha. Want to run?
Hey! Wait! Where are you running off to?
The police are here. Now they will set you right. Get lost! You were off to sell my Radha. Tell me, why did you do it? Speak! Tell me, who asked you to do this? Tell me, otherwise I will kill you before the police arrive. Speak! Tell me, who hired you? Answer me!
Hriday will definitely spill the secrets. I need to do something.
Speak! Tell me, who hired you? Will you speak or...
Speak. Come on, tell us who hired you. How dare you do this, Hriday? How dare you touch our girl, Radha? Tell me, why are you so quiet?
Hey!
Mohan!
Hey!
Mohan! Shekhar!
What did you do?
Come on!
How dare you even think of mistreating Radha?
one will step forward.
Let her go.
Move back.
If not Radha, then I can take her at least.
Stop.
Please save me. Hriday, let me go. Let me go.
Let her go! Sister Damini!
Rahul, go and catch him. Don't let him escape.
Yes, Mohan.
Sister Damini! Mohan!
Oh God.
You know, your overconfidence has cost us so much. Don't you dare. I had warned you to never forget who the real boss is. Be grateful that I am letting you go. Otherwise, I will shoot you and say that I shot you in self-defense. Don't you ever forget that I spared your life.
No matter what, I won't spare Radha in any ways.
In a war, a victor is the one who knows when to strike and when to retreat, you know? I will give you the chance to settle scores with Radha. But for now, just leave from here. And I will really shoot you if I see you anywhere near us.
That's it, Mohan. You'll be fine. Take it. Are you feeling okay?
Damini, are you okay? I hope you're not
Yes.
hurt. Hriday, where is Hriday?
He went that way.
I'm not going to spare him.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Yes,
Where is he?
he went that way.
Hey, catch him! Don't worry, ma'am. He can't have gone far.
Mohan, are you okay? Mohan!
Are you okay? Are you hurt?
No, are you okay, Mohan?
My eyes are stinging. Where is he?
Mohan, he escaped.
Where to? Couldn't you catch him? Hriday escaped.
Don't worry.
Everything is fine now. Then why do I feel this pain in my heart? Why do I feel that I have lost everything despite gaining it? Ah! Ouch! What?
Your leg is sprained.
A little.
I should have shot Radha instead. Once again, she's in Mohan's arm.
I grew tired of telling you that Rida is not a good person, but you were stubborn. What if something untoward had happened? Gungun and I tried several times to show you Hriday in his true colors. Didn't you say that you had run a background check on him? You had made inquiries. Well, did you see what happened? Just because my picture with Radha was printed in the papers, you brought any random man to marry Radha? Now shedding tears won't help you now because everyone knows that you do not care about Radha.
Mohan, how can you say this to Grandma? My grandma was only...
Oh, you shut up. Only you are the root cause of this mess. Neither do you speak nor do you let anyone speak. Whenever I say something, you start lecturing. Mohan, don't say this. Mohan, don't say that. Mohan, don't speak to them. Mohan, don't talk like that. Mohan, you should not speak like that. You will not interfere henceforth. You are your own enemy. You were ready for marriage without any hesitation. Everybody, please tell me, why were you in a hurry to get Radha married? Is there any defect, any problem with Radha? Everything is fine. She's a beauty with brains. At everything she does, she's good. Grandma, you don't need to work hard to find a groom for Radha. For a girl like Radha, guys will line up in miles. She's one of a kind.
But Mohan...
Mohan, why are you being rude to everyone? Why are you reprimanding them?
I'm not reprimanding them. I'm telling the truth, Mom. And even you left no stone unturned to ensure that Radha got married. You even made me swear not to attend the functions.
Mohan, swear on me. You will not be a part of any of her wedding functions.
If Radha had got married and if she had got hurt, then you and Grandma both would have been responsible.
You are right, Mohan. We all are responsible.
Mohan, what are you saying now? She's your mother.
You should shut up. Damini, you were the most eager to get Radha married. You were more excited about her wedding than your own.
Damini wants Radha out of this house.
Truth to be told, all of you are lying when you say you care about Radha. No one actually cares about her. No one. If you did, then you would have seen that Hriday is not a good person.
Mohan, please. Please forgive me.
No, Grandma.
Because of my mistake, Gungun and Radha had to go through so much. I am responsible for everything. Gungun, my dear, please forgive me. My dear Radha, please forgive me.
Mohan, Grandma was worried about Radha. A father can't forever carry the burden of an unwed daughter.
First of all, please stop calling her a burden. Sons and daughters are equal. So stop thinking and calling daughters a burden. Radha has been looking after us since the day she came here. I mean, countless times she has saved Gungun and me. So let me ask you all, is Radha a burden to us or we a burden for her? Since she has come here, she only thinks about us. She does not think about herself at all. She has not even seen the outside world. What does she know? According to me, if Radha is educated and is made self-dependent, and the word, you are using the word burden, she will put all your doubts to rest in no time.
There is something magical about Mohan. Whenever he says something about me, I feel more confident. I feel as if I have it in me to do something. But why does this feel a bit different today? Today, apart from his words, his face, his eyes, they all seem a bit different. Why am I so happy to be near him? Why does the thought of going away from him make me sad? What is happening to me? Is something changing? Is it me, Mohan, or the way I see him?
It's easier said than done, dear Mohan. She is a country bumpkin. She can never be a smart city girl. What I mean to say is that, my dear, a young girl cannot be raised so easily, my son.
Fine. From now on, I take up the task of carrying this burden. Radha is now my responsibility. I, Mohan Trivedi, solemnly swear with all of you and Lord Krishna as my witness that Radha is my responsibility. I promise that I won't let any harm come to Radha. I will ensure she never sheds a tear. Her happiness, her dreams, her present and future will be my responsibility. And I will fulfill it until my last breath.
Mohan, at times we are so blinded by the love we have for a family that we end up ruining everything instead of doing something good. Please forgive me, dear. I should have listened to you. What is wrong? You are still upset? Everything is fine now.
No, Mom, nothing is fine. We haven't evaded the danger yet. Hriday hasn't been caught yet.
So he will get caught soon. Shekhar will catch him with the help of the police.
No, Mom, things aren't that simple. Mom, did you ever think how a criminal like Hriday entered our house? Mom, he knew everything about us. He even knew that Radha was Lord Krishna's devotee.
I'm sorry to bring them here. Actually, I don't go anywhere without them.
When Hriday met Radha for the first time, I was with her. He said and did things that we wanted to hear. Uncle Rameshwar and Grandma didn't know anything about him before they met him. But Hriday knew everything about them. Mom, I am sure one of our family members was working with Hriday. He or she want to ruin Radha's life, and that person is as dangerous as Hriday, Mom. We have to find that person at the earliest, Mom. Who is that person and why he or she is doing all this? Is there any problem with Radha? Not even beautiful, but she's intelligent too. And she's also good at everything she does. You don't need to work hard to find a groom for Radha. Guys will line up to get the girl like Radha. She's one of a kind.
Don't worry, Mohan. If your suspicions are right, then we will definitely find the culprit soon. I'll be back.
Okay.
Damini? I was calling out to you, so... What's the matter, Damini? Are you all right?
Yes, Mother.
Do you want to say something?
Yes, Mother. I wanted to.
Tell me.
I totally admit that Radha has done a lot for Gungun. But it doesn't mean that Mohan should take up her responsibility. I also admit that everyone loves Radha a lot, Mom. But that doesn't make her a part of our family. She's our guest. How long will she live here?
If Radha isn't a part of this family, then who is? Radha even risked her life in order to save Gungun's life. Not just that, even her reputation. What Radha did for Gungun, no one else could have done it. Then how could Radha not be ours? What's left to say now? We shouldn't even think of Radha as our guest anymore. No one deserves to be called a member of this family more than Radha.
Look, Kadambari, I'm older than you. And that's why I'm making you understand. I'm admitting that whatever Radha did for Gungun, nobody else could have ever done. But you also know that whether it is a daughter or a guest, nobody can stay forever. So finally, why are we letting Radha stay here? Who is she to us? I have told you what I felt was right. You are smart enough. Come on, Damini.
So why are we letting Radha stay here? Who is she to us? Radha, I have a way to make you stay with us forever. I don't know whether what I am doing is right or wrong.
What happened, Radha? Tell me. What happened to me? Nothing. Why are you asking?
Because first you were laughing, and then you started crying, and then you started laughing while crying. Are you feeling happy or you feeling sad?
Radha is not happy or sad. She is in love.
Actually, I am feeling happy, Gungun, because you are fine. That's it.
You are sad, right? Because your wedding was called off?
No, Gungun. I was the one who backed out. Did you forget?
Oh, right. If you don't want to marry Hriday, who do you want to marry?
I don't know.
I know how to find a groom for you.
How?
Okay, tell me, what kind of boy do you prefer? What are you looking for in a groom?
What are you doing, Gungun?
My Miss Rosie says that I am very intelligent. I got 9 out of 10 marks in drawing.
Wow.
Tell me, what are you looking for in a boy? I'll draw him, okay?
Okay, fine. He should be kind-hearted. He should be kind enough to care about everyone. He should love everyone. He should take care of everyone. One more thing. This is very important. You need to make a note of this, okay? I want him to have faith in Lord Krishna. And
Hold on. It's not as hard. I'll be drawing his face. Can you describe what he should look like?
oh, I didn't think about that.
Yes,
Okay.
think about it now.
Okay.
Okay, tell me, hurry up.
His eyes should be filled with love. His nose should be a little big. His cheeks should be full. And his hair shouldn't be too short or too long. His hair should be a little messed up. A slight beard. His complexion should be slightly dusky, just like Lord Krishna. Most importantly, his smile should be bright. Bright enough to make everyone smile. A face that everyone will be fond of. Just like Lord Krishna. A face like Lord Krishna.
I think I have seen this guy before.
Done.
What happened, Gungun?
This is Mohan. Do you want to marry Mohan?
Okay, Gungun. It's time to sleep now. Go to sleep now, okay?
I'm not sleepy.
Come on, Gungun. Your playtime is over. Don't be stubborn. Your condition hasn't improved yet. Come on. Get some rest. We will play once you get better, okay?
I don't want
Gungun,
to
go
sleep.
to sleep now. Come on.
Gungun drew Mohan's face today, Radha. You should understand now.
No one will be able to save you today. You can run, but you cannot hide. It will be better. I'll kill you right now.
Gungun? Gungun, what's wrong? Gungun! Gungun, don't be afraid. Radha is with you.
Mohan!
What happened?
Very scared.
Gungun!
Mohan! Leave me!
What happened to you, Gungun? Hey, Gungun, what happened? What happened?
Gungun!
Gungun, what happened?
Radha! Radha, save me!
Mohan, please call the doctor immediately.
Hello, doctor. Gungun's condition is getting worse. You please come home soon. Hurry up.
Gungun urinated in her sleep.
Doctor, what's wrong?
What happened, doctor?
Didn't I tell you earlier? that Gungun is going through PTSD? She has recently gone through a lot of trauma. That's why she's a little scared. She'll be fine during the day, but as soon as she tries to sleep, her mind will recall the incident.
So this means Gungun won't be able to sleep peacefully? For how long?
Look, Radha, I cannot say anything at the moment.
Doctor, how long will this go on? Do you have any idea?
Doctor, can we give Gungun an injection that will put her to sleep?
Yes, there is medication, but I won't recommend it. It's safe, but it could be addictive.
How will she get addicted to it if we use couple of times? Give her the injection. Our child will be able to sleep peacefully.
All right.
No, not at all. You won't give Gungun any injections. She's a small child. Will she have to rely on an injection to sleep now?
Hey, she's right. Are we going to give a child an injection to sleep?
There is nothing to worry. It's completely safe.
No! Didn't you say that Gungun could get addicted to it? You won't give her any injections.
But Radha, didn't the doctor say that it is safe?
Yes, but Radha is right, Damini.
Mohan, when Tulsi couldn't sleep at night, you would play the flute for her, right?
Radha, why can't you think before you speak? You made Mohan angry. You know that Mohan doesn't play the flute anymore.
I will play the flute for Gungun.
How could you be so calm, Damini? Dear, this Kaddu can spoil our plan with the help of Radha.
But I won't let that happen. Before your sister does anything, I will get Radha out of my way.
Uh-oh. Whatever you are going to do with anybody, be careful about it. Otherwise, this is very dangerous.
First of all, we will need to find out that what Mohan thinks.
Mohan thinks only about Radha.
Wow, oh my God. Dear God, please bless everyone with such a daughter.